Hey there. Sometimes when I'm doing a lot of production turning, I use a Steb Center. Now, Steb Center is a great little drive center that allows you to keep the lathe running while you take wood on and off. The cool thing about it is that this is a spring right in here. So this little point will go in and out and these little teeth grab on. So when you push the wood up to there, you're engaging the point only, not the teeth. And then when you tighten the tailstock here and put pressure on the piece of wood, it holds the piece of wood with the teeth in there and it spins it. So when you back off the tool rest, then what happens is the spring starts to release, the teeth disengage, and the piece of wood slows down. You can grab it with your hand, release the tailstock, pull the piece of wood up, lathe is still running, put the next piece of wood on, get it centered, get the two tips on either end touching it, and then when you crank it down, it starts to spin and you can turn again. Really cool device, really helps speed up your process, and it makes turning a bunch of stuff really easy if you got to do a lot of spindles.